Do wheel spacers cause tire rubbing? Today we will explore this question and provide some insights. Wheel spacers, an often overlooked component, can play a significant role in your car's performance. They might not cause tire rubbing directly, but factors like their size, wheel offset, and tire size can contribute. An incorrect installation or a mismatched size can position the tire incorrectly, potentially leading to tire rubbing. But with the correct installation and appropriate size, the risk of tire rubbing can be minimized. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's dive deeper into these factors. So, what causes tire rubbing when using wheel spacers? Let's start with insufficient clearance. If the wheel spacers are too thick or paired with wheels of larger offset, the tire might stick out beyond the fender, or veer away from suspension parts. This can cause tire rubbing, especially when the wheels are turned to their maximum angle. Incorrect installation is another factor. If the center ring of the spacer doesn't align with the hub assembly, the wheels will be off kilter, leading to the tire rubbing against the fender liners and suspension components. Lastly, combining wheel spacers with larger wheel sizes can congest the wheel well, causing rubbing issues. Proper wheel alignment and suspension setup can help ensure adequate clearance and prevent rubbing issues. These factors are important to consider when using wheel spacers, but how can we prevent tire rubbing? Preventing tire rubbing involves careful consideration of our wheel spacers. Choosing the right size and type is crucial, and this begins with measuring the gap between your vehicle's tires and fender liners. Aiming for a flush fitment is key. It's also worth noting that Bonoss utilizes CNC machining for precision manufacturing, ensuring the stability of the product in your vehicle. Plus, all their wheel spacers undergo a series of safety tests. A well-installed wheel spacer can enhance your driving experience without causing any tire rubbing, so choose wisely and drive safely.